Hey guys, what's up? This is Vin. Today's video is how to align object on irregular shapes in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Okay, let's go. So our example for today is a parking lot with cars and vegetation. So in this example, we are going to align this car on a curve. Okay, so type app for upload. Then this window will pop up. Look for OA for object align. Load, then close. Okay, to activate the command, type OA for object align. Okay, then select the object. Then after that, select the base point. Then next. Okay, select the object. Then select the curve align. Then hit M button to create multiple cars. Okay, so we perfectly align the cars. I will delete all the cars. Okay, I will activate the command again. I will show you one more thing. Okay, you can flip the orientation of the car. Just hover the mouse left or right to the curve. Okay, let's go to next example. So type P for pan. And then we have this one, a concrete mixer and a backhoe. And also a curved line, vegetation. So type OA command. I will align this concrete mixer to this curve. Okay, I will erase all of this and let's take an example of this one, the backhoe. Okay, there you have it. It's quite easy to follow, guys. You can also try that one. That's all for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below, guys, if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.